Hello, how are you doing? Good afternoon to everyone. Well, my name is Sergio Andres Garcia Forero, and this video is for the course of English phonetics. This is the task 5, and the idea is to show everything we have learned during this term in a short video tutorial. I think this is going to be the shortest video of all, but I think it's going to be where we are going to place all our knowledge, all the knowledge we have acquired during all this semester. So let's just start, right? Okay. I am sorry about the goose. I live in a farm, so I apologize for that. So let's start. This is ba, the sound of B. It is, produced in the soft palate is bilabial. Bilabial sounds are produced when you block or constrict the airflow out of the mouth by bringing your lips together. So this is a voiced sound. For example, I was seated in the back of the cab. So it's like when, I don't know, when you pop out a soda or something, something like this, but with a B. Ba. For example, the B was in the comp. The bag was used to take out the trash. The bed was made by my wife. So those are three examples I just made out for those three words. So here is this picture. I think that you also could see my mouth when I pronounce the words. For example, be, bag, bed. But I would also like to show you that the bilabial sound is produced right here. When you block or when you constrict the air, just putting your lips together. Okay, let's continue. The idea is not to make it long and boring, just short and precise. This is the D sound. It is alveolar plosive, and it is produced in the alveolar ridge. It's where when your teeth meet your gums. The teeth with the gums. These are the gums of that pink part above your teeth. And you create alveolar consonants when you raise your tongue to the alveolar ridge to block or constrict the airflow. So it's like a short when you cut the flow of the air when you make like this dog, middle, dish, at meat, third. So you block the air using your tongue and putting it up. It is a voiced sound. For example, my dog was in the middle of the yard. We have other examples. For example, here, I had to do the dishes. I admit the truth when I was asked for it. This is the third time I make this video. It's not true, but it's an example. Don't forget about it. Now, I'm sorry. The alveolar ridge, it's right here, and these are the teeth. So this sound is produced right here, like in this part of your mouth, between the teeth and the alveolar ridge. Okay, let's continue. This is the G sound, like g, g, g. It is velar and plosive. And you make velar consonants or velar sounds when you raise the back of your tongue to the velum block or restrict the airflow. This is a voiced sound. I'm sorry, I think I missed here something like in a space or something. So the grr. So you block the air with the tongue, but in the back part of your mouth. So I am going to move my camera right here to show you where it is. The velar sound is produced right here in the back part of your mouth. It's really deep. So the grr was gone. The grr was gone. So I think that it's hard to show you, and maybe if I make it too close, I will show you what I had for lunch. So I'm not going to do it, but I am going to show you right here with the picture. Your tongue goes right here. You put it up right here, and this is where the sound is produced. The grr. So as you can see, my tongue is like going up, but not in the alveolar ridge, but maybe behind. So the example is that the girl was gone, and we have other examples. For example, the goat was in the grass. The action figure was broken by my nephew. The dog ate his meal, his food. So, well, guys, I think this is it for this video. I hope to see you soon. All my videos are in YouTube, so don't forget to click like on my channel. So I think I will keep going to doing more videos for university, and of course, this is useful for everyone, even for me because I learn every time I teach. So thank you everyone for your attention. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye. See you around. Of course, it's my pleasure.